Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about how we can create a calendar directly in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, what I'll ask you to do is pretty simple, is to open up a Microsoft Excel page like this one, and then we will be able to start creating our calendar. So to be able to create a calendar, we are going to go here and click on File. Once it's done, we are going to go on New right here. Then what we want to do is simply write calendar in search right here. So as you can see, I have already searched for a calendar, but what we are going to do, we are going to search again for calendar. So we are just going to write down calendar right here and click on search. Once it's all done, you will have a list of various calendars that will appear. So it's calendar templates, and we are going to select this one right there. So we'll just click on it, and once this appears, we're just going to click on the create button. Now, as you can see, we are going to have a calendar right there, and we have all our months right here. So we have January, February, March, April, and from January till December. So now what's important to do, it's we will have to change the year. So in this case, we have 2023. We can, for example, make it 2025, since this video is recorded in 2025. And here we go. We have automatically our year 2025, and all the dates have been changed. So we have all the dates that matched with the week days. Now, if we want to add things to our calendar, let's say, for example, I want to add an event for the 15th of January. I can go here, for example, and write down party at 11. So here we go. I have just added a event inside of my calendar, just like this. So this is how you can create a calendar directly on Microsoft Excel. What's also cool is that you have a little note space right here. So for each month, you can add, you can write notes inside of your calendar as well as adding events inside of your calendar. So this is how you create a calendar with the templates that Microsoft Excel already gives you. So if you like this video and find it interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.